Ending the day with a field engineer. What is it like? Let's get our day started. Gonna take me to the city, to the client. Are gonna be taking the train to Manhattan to the client. Here we go. Got it. Okay, so we're here. 8:52 in the morning. There is no appointment, so but I'll probably get there like 9 or 9:30. Bye train, bye train. Thank you for taking me into the city and to the client. Bye train. Walk here and walk, but guess what? The train is here, so we might as well take the train, right? So instead of 59th Street to 51st walk, we took the train. So because we were lazy. So there goes train number 2. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's talk about being a field engineer, system engineer. What is our mission today? Our mission today is that we're going to a client and we're going to patch in some locations for him. All right, so for your system engineers, field engineers that don't know what that means, or for dummies, patching in means you're going to take a Cat 5 cable or Cat 6 cable and you're going to plug it in from the location up to where the Cisco switch is. So we're starting our day off with coffee, with a coffee car here. We're going to get coffee in the donut. So we got breakfast here. We got a coffee in the bag and a jelly donut. What do you think? This is a fancy elevator, huh? Take a look. So we're here. So these are the 3 switches that were put in, as you can see here. And they're patched up to here, which goes down to the other floor to give them access up here. And we will be patching whatever locations he says into these switches here. It's pretty neat, as you can see. This is a pretty neat job here, as you can see. And this is where you punch them all down. Okay, let's talk about field engineer, system engineer, field tech, whatever you want to call yourself. What's in my bag? I have a laptop. I have a data tester. I have to find a cable if it's not working. I have a Phillips screwdriver, a regular screwdriver, a flashlight. This is to put the jacks on. This is the toner to tone it out, and this is to punch them down in the back, and a pair of dikes. And that's my bag. So this is my not full bag, just regular bag, just for going out, patching in, doing some testing if the cable is no good. So this is what I use. So this is all you need to use for a basic, quick little test and make sure that the cables and the patch panel and everything is wired right. That will tell you everything. Okay, so now you see what gear I took with me today. Okay, so we made it to the client, and it's 9:30, like I told you. And I told you I got coffee, so that's my coffee and my jelly donut, which is, no good for you, but as long as, life is short, enjoy your life, eat what you want, but don't eat it every day. You'll be fine. Okay, so for you dummies and rookies, what do we mean by patching in location? So this is the location you see. Okay, so this is called the patch cord. This is called the patch panel. And on the back is where you punch down the wires. And then all you do is, if it's location 16, you plug this into 16 like this, and you plug that into the system. Okay, I'm on the job site, as you can see. And as you can see here, there is no internet. So how are we going to get internet? There's a whole bunch here that we could try to connect to, but I don't think that's a good idea. Let's tether into our phone and get internet. Okay, settings, connections, mobile, tether and hotspot. Turn that on. Okay, we're on, as you can see. Oh, let's see, do we have internet? And we have internet, let's see. Do we have internet? Yep, we have. Okay, let's take a view of the city. Look at that. So they wrap this up so when they paint, it wouldn't get the paint inside the jack. So we're gonna put one of these face plates, what it looks like. There like this. All you have to do is snap it in. Like that. You heard that snap? It's in. Take this screw and put it into that screw hole. The bottom goes into that one. This is how we do it. Patching in number 9. Patched in number 9. We're gonna put them through here. And then we're gonna plug it in down here. Just like that. You can see I patched them all in here, nice and neat. And they went into, you have 3 Cisco panels. We're using the first one. This is how you test. You plug this end into the patch panel. Data tester will get plugged into the wall like this. And then if the cable is good, you'll see that all the pairs are good and it says pass.